Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Came for a morning walk to a place where we can see beautiful sunrise. Really a beautiful place for taking some drone shots. Ideally in the morning time or maybe the sunset also. We travel to far distances to see places, but we forget that we have beautiful places near our homes, and this is the right time. We have restrictions in traveling. I would suggest that you should explore places near to your home. Wow. So guys, done with the cricket match. Now it's barbecue time.
Barbecue time.
So it's barbecue time. So this is the coal and we're going to do some barbecue. The grilled chicken is ready and we all are going to have our dinner, Christmas dinner. Parota, parota, chudu parota, chudu parota. Enjoy parota.